Bandang 1:30 ng hapon ay naganap ang pagtatapos ng ikalawang batch ng mga nagtatapos mula sa College of Business Studies ngayong ika-13 ng Agosto taong kasalukuyan sa Dr. Ernesto Tinicao Sports Center.
Ang nasabing programa ay may temang Envisioning the Future through the Power of Good Stewardship na dinaluhan ng 594 na mga nagsisipagtapos. Kabilang dito ay 58 mula sa Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Economics, 475 mula sa Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Marketing Management, at 41 mula sa Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Dr. Enrique G. Baking, ang University President, kung saan nabanggit ang SDG 8 o ang Sustainable Development Goal 8 na patungkol sa disenteng trabaho at paglago ng ekonomiya. Kanya ring nabanggit ang SDG 16 o pagsulong ng mapayapa at inklusibong lipunan. Bukod sa University President ay naghayag din ng mensahe ang Chairman ng Commission on Higher Education o CHED na si J. Prospero Popoy de Vera III.
I'm thankful na naging product ako ng DABSU, which is ng Maribel State University. And of course, nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng mga katulad kong student athlete. And of course, ito, nag-pay off na din yung lahat ng struggles and pagsisikap namin. And yun lang po.
Actually, my plan, I actually have a work right now, but for the meantime, since I actually graduated right now, I just want to enjoy some things that that I want to really pursue. So yeah, and I just want to congratulate all of my fellow graduates today, and
congratulations to all the graduates of the College of Business Studies. Everything that you have learned inside the classroom, you can use it to soar when you go out of here. One day, you will come back to this institution, and I hope you will be able to share what we have passed on to you. What you have learned or the education that we have given to you here will serve as the wind beneath your wings. Soar high to all the graduates of the College of Business Studies. And again, congratulations.
Samantala, magpapatuloy ang pagtatapos ng mga nagsisipagtapos mula sa College of Engineering and Architecture bukas, 14 ng Agosto taong kasalukuyan. Mula sa Public Relations and Industry Linkages Offices at Media Affairs ng DABSU, ako si Alison Pareño mula sa Radyo Escolar, nag-uulat.